लगता है ये चिड़िया अब पूरी तरह तंदुरुस्त है, उड़ने के लिए तैयार है। अब मैं इसको छोड़ने वाला हूँ। दानी, क्या हम इसको छोड़ दें?
हाँ।
हाँ?
हाँ।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं, आप ऐसा बोलो, रिलीज रिलीज हर डैडी।
Release her, Daddy.
What? Are you happy if I release her?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything to say to the bird?
Goodbye.
And say and tell her to be very cautious, to be careful not to bump in the window again,
Don't bump at the window again.
and also be careful with humans.
Be careful with humans.
Yes,
And
everyone is not like us.
don't come at our house next time. You're so naughty. Go to your friend's house and stay away from Corona people.
What? You don't want her to visit us again?
Yeah, because
Yes,
she's so naughty.
but she's not now. I think she has learned her lesson the hard way.
I'm just kidding, Daddy.
Then finally, what do you have to say to her?
Goodbye, Kitty Bob.
And you give her a flying kiss. A flying kiss, not that kiss. Yes, again. Yes, and tell her to be safe from Corona.
Say goodbye.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
And
Don't eat some fast food that cause you constipation and stomach ache.
okay, let's release her. Okay.
Yes.
I think
why?
she is very desperate to be with her family members. Okay, now I'm going to release my finger one after another. 1, 2. Oh, there she goes. Whoa! Clap your hands, Danny.
Yay!
And you have to say thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. If you want to watch my videos, the flying video, please subscribe at type the video www.stomach.com.